of the best things about gardening is watching the cycle of life unfold right in your backyard. So we were thrilled when Heather Summer from Galveston sent us her video of monarch butterflies. While visiting her in-laws in Houston last fall, she noticed that they had every stage of the monarch butterfly process going on in their yard. She grabbed her phone and made a video for the kids she works with as a speech-language pathologist. We edited together short sections from her video, but you can see the whole thing on her YouTube channel, Ms. Heather Rainbow Speechy. All her videos are terrific for kids and the whole family too. This is a great time to divide agaves. Janine Cooper has a question about her foxtail agave that she brings inside during the winter. It's grown into a C shape and hangs out of the pot. It also has a bunch of baby agaves called offsets or pups. She'd like to cut off the enormous top and repot. We reached out to Carter Nastri from Fireproof Plants, who told us that the foxtail agaves tend to form kind of a long trunk. Just cut the head off right at the base of the rosette, then root the decapitated head after allowing the cut surface plenty of time to heal and callus over. The remaining stump will also sprout new life in time, and a couple of new heads. Be sure to use perlite or pumice as the rooting media to ensure good drainage and to keep the succulent stem from rotting. We'd love to hear from you. Head to centraltexasgardener.org to send us your questions, pictures, and videos.